Hi, good afternoon everyone. Today I have another unboxing of a Hermes item. This time around is from one of the bags. It's not a BKC, but this bag is also super popular. I didn't expect my SA to offer it to me, and I didn't ask him for the bag at all. I asked for Picotan or Evelyn, but there wasn't any stock, so he offered me a Lindy instead. And yeah, I got I'm not sure how hard it is to get a Lindy at where you are, but I got a Lindy 26 noir in clemence leather and palladium hardware. So initially I really never thought about asking this bag before because it's never ever displayed, and people, I know that it's very popular but nobody really talk about it, or it's not on the display shelf. So I'm really excited to, after trying this on, I rejected him at first because it wasn't on my list, but after trying this on I was hooked and I asked. In the end I managed to get it. So this is in clemence leather, palladium hardware. So as you can see, it comes in the two cute handles. And let me zoom out a bit so you can see the back details. Alright, so there's a dust bag inside, and one cute thing, because it's clemence leather, it cannot touch water, so they actually gave a rain protection raincoat for it. So it comes with a standard dust bag and the shoe, and how it works is that it will have a handle for you to carry on your shoulder, or you could also just hand carry it like this, and it will form a very cute fortune cookie shape. So it comes with, it's much more, the smaller size is mini Lindy. So before the mini came out, Lindy 26 was the smallest, and from aerial view you can see it's a very cute little like casual yet elegant chic bag. It has a forefoot at the bottom, and you can see it comes with the leather is very soft. Clemence leather is very malleable and very soft, and comes with a puffy air box here, and you can see how much it can actually fit. Look at this, even though it's the smaller size, other than the mini of course. And how it works is that there's also two pockets here at the side, and two inner pockets here. So you can see this leather flap is so soft. It's made from baby wool. And how it's going to be carried is, I don't know whether if any of you are fans of Lindy, but I know it's a very popular work bag. So typically how it's carried is that you can clip this up here, and depending on your preference, sorry I haven't removed the stickers, depending on your preference you can just clip the bag on, or you can just carry it together for a slouchy look. So on your wrist it will look like this from an aerial view. It's I don't really do mod shots because I prefer my identity to be anonymous, but online portal you can see a lot of cute mod shots of the bag. So it looks like this, and if you want to clip up the bag, it will be like this. So it's a really chic casual day bag for day-to-day wear. Yeah, it's pretty cute. So this is actually my second Hermes bag. I don't have any Picotan, I don't have any Evelyn. So let me know what you think about the Lindy, and whether you prefer the mini Lindy or the Lindy 26. Even though this looks super small, I can guarantee that it fits a lot of items inside, because this whole is 26 cm, but this entire part is almost like a puff, like an air puff. And from what I know, this hardware, it does not, I'm more of a gold hardware person, but when I saw this Lindy, I was like, oh, it's not like I can get it every day anyway. Do let me know down in the comments below whether you have a Lindy, or whether you what do you think of this bag? Do you prefer mini Lindy or Lindy 26? And how easy it is to get from this bag here. But for this, it's like a very cute like day bag. So for mini Lindy, you can actually carry this as a crossbody, but for Lindy 26, the strap is too short. It will be a shoulder bag, not a crossbody bag. And you can, I think I prefer carrying it on a hook on my hand. So you just look at the aero build, it's so cute. And most people, if it's safe at where your country is, you don't even clip this. You just let it go and let it hang loose. Yeah, that's it for my unboxing video today. Hope you enjoy it. Bye bye.